Hello, let me show you unboxing and overview of all features that you can find on Redmi Buds 6 Pro. So when we take a look on the box, we can already find some important information. Like for example, in this device, we can find triple drivers. We can also build in dimensional audio, so that's actually the spatial audio like with AirPods. We got also 3 microphones for noise reduction in phone calls. There's also 55 decibels active noise cancellation with multi-level modes. And we got up to 4K ultra-wide frequency noise cancellation. So now let's find out what we can also find here. There's also support for application because we got the QR code. So we'll be able to actually get access into most features by using our Android and iOS devices. Okay, so it comes with this foil. This is how the case looks. On the back we got triple driver sound, Redmi logo. On the front we can find LED indicator. There is USB-C port, pairing button. And here we can find earbuds. There's some stickers right here and right here at the top. As you can see on the both earbuds we can find Redmi logo on this panel. We can find ear tips. When we roll them, we can find size of the default ear tip, so we get medium size. We can easily take them off and also easily put them back. Right here we can find microphones, here, and also right here. Now let's take a look for some other accessories. So right here we've got additional ear tips with large and small sizes. There's also a user manual and short charging cable. And that's everything that we can find inside the box. Now let's move into the smartphone and let's check all of these features. Okay, so as you can see, when we are in the Xiaomi Earbuds application, we get access into battery level of both earbuds and of the charging case. We can also find noise cancellation, transparency mode, and we can set strength of each one. So we can enhance voice, ambient sound, and the same for the noise cancellation. We can get light, deep, or activate ANC. Here we can also find the personalized noise cancellation. Below we can find 3 months of Spotify Premium. You will get it completely for free if you follow this ad. By going here we can find all of these gestures, so we can tap 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. We can press and hold and swipe left and swipe right. So what we can do with these gestures, we can change songs, we can change volume, we can play and pause. And for press and hold, we can change between noise cancellation and the transparency mode, or we can wake voice assistant. We can also turn them off by selecting none. When we go forward, we can find spatial audio. There's even this track head movement. There's adaptive sound, audio balance, so there's the sound equalizer, 4 default presets, and the last one is custom. When we go into another one, in additional settings, we can find in-ear detection, there's ear tip fit test, dual connection, so we can connect them simultaneously with 2 devices. There's option to take calls automatically. We can rename earphones. We can also find them by using sound signaling. And here we can update firmware after logging to Xiaomi account. And below we can go for some information about device. So we can check like, serial number and stuff like this. There's also some hidden options that you cannot find right here to answer and end phone calls. So if you want to answer into the phone call, you will have to tap in this place. There's the touch sensor on the left and the right one. So you will have to tap 2 times. If you want to reject phone call, you will have to tap 3 times. And you can also use here mono mode. So you can just put one of the earbuds inside the case, close it, and then just listening with your single earbud. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.